Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak an iPad. Now in order to do this you will need an iPad on iOS 14.0 to iOS 14.8. So here we are, I have iOS 14.0.1 right there, an iPad 8th generation. So yeah, I scored this bad boy. So we'll go ahead and pop out of that. So in order to do this, we're going to need to do some things. So starting off, we're going to come here to Safari. Go ahead and come up here and look up Troll Store. So we'll go ahead and come here to Troll Store and we'll come to the GitHub. Make sure that you come here to the GitHub and then go here to the guide. And so this is what you need right here. So and actually you can also do this on iOS 14.0 beta 2 and later, just not beta 1. So yeah, come here, and then you're gonna need to find out what your iPad is. So for me, I have an A12 in mine, and sorry for the glare, but I have an A12 in my iPad, so I will need the ARM64E, but if you have an older iPad that's A8 to A11, make sure you click on that one. So, yeah, so go ahead and click Troll Store Helper. And so then you'll come here, and if you're on, for me, if I'm on A12, I'll come right here. So this will open up. Now for me, I already have it, so it won't show up. So you'll get this app, GTA Car Tracker. So go ahead and click on this, and then go ahead and click Install Troll Store. So this is gonna install and stuff. And your iPad will respring and stuff. Go ahead and, oops, let me put it in here, maybe. So after that, you'll get this app called Troll Store. So it's going to install AEID, come here, and then make sure that if you want Presence Helper, install this to whatever app here. I'm going to do it to, honestly, I think I'm going to do it to probably Photo Booth, because I've never used Photo Booth. Whoops. So after that, come here to apps, and now we're going to need two apps. First things first, you'll need OnCover 6.1.1. That's pretty self-explanatory. Just go to oncover.dev and get that download and stuff. And then next things next, we're going to need another thing called UO Launcher. So go ahead and click on that, and then go to the top one. It's GitHub download 1.0.1. Now come back over here to Troll Store, and then go ahead and click over here to apps, click the plus, click install. Oops. Go ahead and click install IPA file, and then go ahead and install Uncover. So yeah, we're going to do Uncover. So you have Uncover. Now go ahead and install from another IPA file. Whoops, don't do that. Back out of that. Click right here, click install IPA file, click UO launcher now. Go ahead and click install. Now after you have that, go ahead and pop out of this app, and then click UO launcher. Do not launch Uncover, it will not work. Let's come here. Now we have this. Now first things first, make sure that you uninstall, or that you make sure to disable auto updates. You do not want your device to update, because well, that would just be pointless. Then you lose your jailbreak. You can always disable it later, but you know. So now it's going to go through. It's going to want to pretty much exploit the kernel. It's going to do its thing, you know. Don't worry, this is safe. Instead of the worst thing that can happen is that you have to reset your device and update it to the latest version. So yeah, it's going to go ahead and go through this and stuff. And yeah, I'll be back. Well, I guess I'll show you just what it's supposed to do that way. Yeah, I'll be back when this is done. So I somehow missed it, sorry. When you first ever jailbreak, you'll get a pop-up saying ready to jailbreak and stuff. Click OK, then it'll respring. So after that, or it'll actually restart. So go ahead and type in your passcode. and stuff. Then go back to UO Launcher. Oops, not now. Go back here, and then actually hit jailbreak. And now you will actually get a true full 100% jailbreak because it's installed all the dependencies that iOS needs to actually work with this jailbreak. And so that's what it first does, is installs a lot of stuff that it needs. And then this time you'll actually now have Cydia and Substrate and everything else. You'll actually see it, or it'll do that sometimes. Don't worry if it does that, just try it again. It's prone to fail sometimes. It happens. Stuff like I said, this is why you're watching this video, so that we can learn. So again, UO Launcher, and then jailbreak. Okay, so now it's actually done it. So yeah, so I guess the first time it didn't for me. So yeah, so you'll see here, ready to jailbreak, jailbreak completed, system needs to reboot to finish jailbreak process. So go ahead and click OK. It'll reboot now and stuff. Let it do its thing. Yep, Apple logo. And so if I go ahead and type in the passcode here, find turn on. So yep, you will launch your jailbreak, and now it should start getting quicker and quicker. So for the first time it will be pretty quick, but after you start installing tweaks, it could take a little bit to jailbreak due to some fact that it's got to load all these tweaks stuff. That's why also too I recommend not going too crazy with the tweaks, as it could really bog down the iPad and it's not really good for it. So or again, it'll sometimes do that. No big deal. Like I said, I really just want to show you all the full process, that way you guys aren't worried if anything goes wrong and stuff. You can actually see somewhat what it's like to jailbreak and stuff. So try this again. UO Launcher. Come in here, go ahead and click jailbreak. And see, here we go. So it's gonna go through and it's gonna fully do what it needs to do. And go ahead and click done and click OK. And now this will respring, and you know it's done it correctly when instead of you getting a full Apple logo, you get this kind of thing. You'll get a spinning thing and then the Apple logo. And also too, you can use Touch ID or Face ID straight out the box. Yeah, you'll see it won't make you put in your passcode immediately due to the simple fact that it's not a full reboot. It's just starting Springboard. So after that, you can swipe over and you'll notice that you have Cydia and Substrate. Go ahead and open up Cydia. And for the first time of you using it, see, like for me, if I come here to installed, you'll get a reload data. If I come here to changes, yep, you'll notice. So do a complete upgrade and stuff. So we'll go ahead and do a complete upgrade and then confirm. Maybe. Did I do that right? Oh, here we go. And so upgrade, confirm, and so yeah, I'll go ahead and update everything. I immediately do this. That way everything will work straight out of the box. And then go ahead and click return to Cydia. And then I guess do a complete upgrade then? Maybe? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, and then you'll have to reboot device. And then just do the same thing, open up UI Launcher, jailbreak. So yeah. So that's how to jailbreak your iPad. Now let's get over to the next part. Alright, so now that we have jailbroken the iPad, you might be asking yourself, how do you unjailbreak it? So first things first, try and open UI Launcher. If it doesn't open, restart your iPad. So we'll go ahead and restart it, just because we want to restart it so that way it's no longer jailbroken, because if it's jailbroken then you can't restore rootfs. Which also, make sure you unjailbreak your iPad. I forgot to mention this. Make sure you unjailbreak your iPad before you sell it, reset it, or do anything. If you reset it while it is jailbroke, you can break all kinds of stuff, and then you will either A, have to update to the latest iOS version, or you'll never be able to jailbreak again, which that's not fun and stuff. So go ahead and wait for this to boot up here. So now go ahead and open up Let's go ahead and open up UI Launcher. Once you get to here, come here to Settings, and then go here to Restore rootfs. Now you can choose to re-enable automatic updates. I'm not going to. And go ahead and click Restore rootfs. So this will go through and pretty much do the same thing, pretty much like it's jailbreaking, but except it's going to remove all jailbreaks, including Troll Store. This does remove Troll Store as well, which it's no big deal, as it will put everything back to normal. So I'll be back when that's done. Now, your iPad will reboot, and so after that, then you're pretty much chilling. Hold on. So you're pretty much chilling in at that point. Now, you will notice that there's still some apps, but if I say come to Troll Store here, it will open. That is interesting. I've actually never seen that before. So if it doesn't work the first time, just try it again. Stuff, you'll notice that it is now going to redo this. So again, I am on 14.0.1. You can see there. See, and then you'll see it's gonna go through and restore everything back to normal. And so, yeah, so now you'll notice that it's gonna go ahead and download everything that you need, or well, delete everything that should not be on here, and then put stuff back how it was before we jailbroke and stuff. So, oops, don't do what I just did. And so yeah, you'll get this right here. Oh, and it might just go ahead and just restart on you. It's alright. Do not worry. So pretty much now just the waiting game here. Stuff. There you go. And after it resprings, go ahead and just put in your passcode, and you will notice that if you go ahead and attempt to even open up any of these apps, that they just will not open. So you can hold down and you can literally just go ahead and delete all of these apps. Now, GTA Card Tracker, this one that allows you to actually install Troll Store, will still stay here and stuff. That you'll have to do uninstall Troll Store, which I could do this, uninstall Troll Store, and so yeah. And you can delete GTA Car Tracker if you want. Like I said, I'm not going to, as I'll be re-jailbreaking this right after this video. So with that, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.